Magandang araw mga kakalbros! Ako po si Benji Paras, na dating Tower of Power. Ngayon ay Tower na lang.
Okay, hi Papa Bear. Sorry, Papa Bear. I am Casey Montero, your diehard sports fan, here to bring you all the good stuff about basketball. And welcome to
Basketballeros with the Kalbros! Ayun.
So if you live and breathe basketball just like us, follow us on all our social media platforms, hit the notification bell, Spotify, all of that stuff. Follow us. Only good comments though. Only good comments.
Okay, wag na tayong paligoy-ligoy pa. Ang kasama natin ngayon, 7-time PBA champion. One of the 50 greatest players. Pero hindi pa nagre-retire, pero naglalaro
bata
pa yan. Okay? Please welcome Scotty Thompson!
Hello, Coach Benji, Brother Casey. Maraming salamat po for having me.
Thank you at napagbigyan mo kami. Ito lang medyo isang konting kwento lang about Scotty. Si Scotty, naging player namin yan.
Saan? Sa
Nung naglaro tayo sa D-League.
Yeah,
That was 2014?
14.
So nakita namin, Coach Ronnie was the head coach. So sabi namin, sino kukunin natin? Scotty Thompson. So hindi na alam paano gagawin. So pinuntahan namin si Coach Arik pa noon, time na yun. Tapos kinausap mo namin, Scotty, gusto maglaro sa amin. Sabi niya, Coach. To make the long story short, champion kami.
First
Yung
season.
championship namin, yung game namin, na yung last shot sa kanya. Na-shoot niya. Tapos, di lamang na kami ng 1 point. Na i-fast break, siya yung humabol, block niya. Champion kami. Siya na naka-score, siya yung naka-block.
So I have a question. So ibig sabihin, what I hear right now is kung wala ka sa buhay ni
Kung wala ako,
sa buhay
kung
ni
wala
Scotty,
ako, oo.
hindi
Kung
ka
hindi ako
maging,
nag-champion.
seven-time
Hindi ako nasama.
champion. No?
Pero yon, I mean, kaya ito sa naging 7-time champion ito sa PBA, ibig sabihin, he was born being a champion.
Yes. But I think the biggest stat there is you're part of the 50 greatest PBA players, and you're what, 32? 32
Grabe.
pa lang. So parang what number is Scotty sa may number ba or parang 50 lang?
Wala naman.
Wala namang number doon.
Sa tingin mo anong number ka?
Pang 50.
49, 50.
Pang 50 ako.
So how's the family? Let's chika muna kasi tinong ko, I was asking you kanina. So you have 3 kids.
Yep.
Yeah. So how old are they?
I have 2 and 1 and then 4 months.
So
So sunod-sunod.
Nagmamadali ka, no?
diba?
May
Baka
may
abutan
kota
kasi,
ba?
baka abutan.
Baka abutan. Kasi yung wife ko, kasi pag lumalabas kami, of course, we drink, tapos nabuntis. O ngayon, after nun, syempre, hindi pwede minom.
Sorry, wait. Sorry.
Yung wife ko, wala pa kaming anak nun.
Hindi, pero
So,
you go out, we drink.
We drink.
Buntis.
Tapos, nabuntis. Oo nga, konektado. No? Kaya pala.
So right now,
So anyway,
we drink.
Tapos,
Buntis.
nabuntis. Tapos na, syempre, nagbe-breastfeed. So, hindi mo kaya nom. And then, after
yeah.
nun, sabi niya, uy, okay
Ikaw
na.
lang.
Labas na tayo ulit. Tapos, nabuntis.
Nabuntis ulit.
So, hindi na naman tuloy. So, hanggang yun, hindi na siya uminom. Hindi na nasanay. So, anyway, ang haba ng story
Oo
ako.
nga eh. So, all right. Well, it's nice to have you here.
Being, of course, sa basketball, iba yung role mo eh. Ngayon, sa bahay naman, anong mas mahirap?
Syempre yung from practice, although may positive side, coach, after practice pagod ka pag umuwi ka sa bahay, so nakakawala ng pagod, no, pag makita mo yung mga anak mo, makalaro mo. At syempre yung mahirap na side is yung first baby namin, I think, na talagang wala pang experience paano maging parents. So and then talagang ko yun, ako muna nag-alaga at first kasi CS si wife ko eh. So
okay,
medyo dalawa sila inaalagaan ko that time. So luckily hindi pa season nung time na yun. I think after kakatapos na halos ng pandemic. So ayun.
So, ang mahirap, kasi ang alam ko yung practice nyo, nakikita ko kayo, umaga, di ba?
Yeah, opo.
So, paano yan? Napupuyat ka sa gabi, I'm sure.
Yun, oo. At first, coach, na siguro mga 2 a.m., 3 a.m. ako nakatulog. So, tapos gigising ng like 7 a.m. kasi medyo malayo ako sa practice. South ako eh. So, papractice sa Pasig. So, medyo nagising maaga and then punta sa practice. Mahirap sa una, pero nung medyo nagagamay na and nakaka-recover na si wife ko, nagagamay na rin
So,
namin.
ibig sabihin, after ngayon, galing ka lang practice, di ba? So, pinahirapan natin si Scotty. Dapat natutulog na yan.
Sorry, sa asawa mo. Thank you. Wait, so you're 2 years old is your oldest, no? So, okay pa naman. Mabait pa sila.
Mabait pa so far. Oo.
Trust us.
It's coming. Pero yung oldest, is he parang feeling kuya na? Or hindi naman? 2 years old?
Medyo ngayon, medyo nafe-feel niya na kuya niya kasi yun nga, parang nakikita namin sa kanya na alam niya na parang meron na siyang feeling na may mga kapatid na siya.
Hindi naman selos. Walang selos.
Meron din
Meron
ko.
yan.
So,
Oo.
pag kinakarga ko yung isa, tumatawag ka, daddy, nung papapansin. So, nakakatuwa rin kasi lumalaki na sila.
Yeah, that's why for me, isa lang.
Isa na.
Isa lang.
Salamat.
Yeah, parang walang favorites. Isa lang. All right, so we talk about memories. We talked about some of the memories right now, but we have to go back and rewind a little bit. So let's get into our first segment called The Replay.
Mga Kakao Bros, we're giving away a total of 5,000 pesos Arena Plus vouchers to 10 new users. Tune in lang sa Basketballeros with the Kakao Bros. Tapos sagutin ang anong pick mo questions sa comment section. Huwag kalimutang ilagay ang inyong Arena Plus username. Join na!
All right, so welcome back to the show. We love
Hindi
looking
naman
back.
tayo nawala. Ang bilis na.
Okay. You're still here.
Okay.
We didn't go anywhere. We like looking back into history, and it guides our way forward. So with the replay, Scotty, let's rewind and see where and how you got here. Okay, so let's start off. You were named after the great Scottie Pippen. No?
Yeah, yung
Yes?
dad ko.
Oh, so did
Big
you?
Chicago fan siya.
Scottie
Big
Pippen
siya.
ba or Scottie Tissue? Hindi. Dalawa yun eh.
Scottie Pippen.
Scottie Pippen.
Scottie Pippen, coach.
Ba't ka nagpapangalan sa tissue? No? Saan mo papangalan nun? Anyway. So,
Kung Scottie baka sa CR ako ginawa nun ko.
Kung,
bakit? Kasi may memory to eh.
so did you have were you ever pressured to parang play like Scottie Pippen, or kasi syempre you were named after Scottie Pippen, so to impress your father or something like that to play?
Hindi naman. At first kasi nung back sa province namin, hindi naman talaga ako talagang totally focused sa basketball. So,
Tissue
suddenly happen na lang na nagkaroon ako ng mga opportunity na nakikita ko na pwede pala maging maging PBA, ganun, unti-unting nag-open yung opportunity. Pero nung bata ako, iba-iba yung sports ko eh. BMX, volleyball.
BMX?
Oo, sepak takraw.
Talaga. Kaya pala ang taas mo tumalon.
Iba-iba kasi sa amin province, pag lumabas ka ng bahay, parang park na agad. Tapos halo-halo yung mga kasama.
So, paano ka naging seryoso sa basketball?
Nung I think third year high school na ako.
Late na.
Third na.
Medyo late.
Pero
na.
naglalaro na,
pag-asing
coach.
anak ko
Naglalaro na ako elementary, tapos yun nga, sa park, sa malapit sa bahay. Pero hindi pa full-time talaga nakafocus sa basketball. So, nung third year high school ako, doon na ako nakafocus talaga. Basketball na lang yung sports ko. And then fourth year, na-recruit ako from palarong pambansa.
Doon ako nakalaro ka ng palarong pambansa.
Nakapalarong pambansa.
Okay.
Sa age ng 4 years old, magaling ka ba sa sports? Mga 4 years old?
Wala pa ata akong maalala.
Kasi
Wala pa akong maalala.
I brought
Kasi
my...
nag-debate kami. Sabi ko, yung anak ko, hindi, antay mo lang yung anak mo. Matututo rin yan. Kasi may padalang picture eh.
So I brought my son to play basketball for the first time.
Pinasahan siya ng bola. Sa pool sa mukha.
So natakot.
Diretso sa mukha. As in, yeah, add it to the... So...
Ang inexplain ba nung coach na kailangan niya saluhin? Inexplain
Wala ba?
Then,
Sinabi.
catch. Baka sa bibig. Okay. Anyway, so may pag-asa.
May pag-asa yan. Oo.
Okay.
Pwedeng goalie yan. Maano na mukha.
Sana hindi. Okay, so let's talk about the NCAA. In your rookie year, you had under parang 7 points per game. Tapos we moved to your MVP year in 2014 and you had over 25 points per game. So what happened in those years to get from 7 to 25?
I think yung yung hard work na I put in that time, I think doon po nag-show up sa na year na yun. And also, I'll give credit sa past coaching, head coach ko, Coach Arik, Coach Lester. Sila talaga yung nag-guide sa akin, no, kung para mas mahasa yung game ko. And then, yung trust na binibigay nila sa akin na talagang, kasi pagdating nila talagang after nun, nagtuloy-tuloy yung na career ko sa NCAA and then PBA. So, I think dahil isa sila sa dahilan nung pag-angat ka sa basketball.
Part din ako ng coaching staff nun sa San Beda, remember?
Yeah,
Kay Coach, kay Boyet.
So,
sinasabi lang namin si Scotty, wag niyong pasishutin. Panalo tayo. Yun lang.
So actually, speaking about the D League, kanina, do you remember a lot about the D League? And you brought your team to their first ever title back then, and of course, he was your coach. Okay
Yeah.
ba? Ito.
Oo. Marami din kaming napagsamaan ni Coach Benji, Coach Ronnie, no. Isa sila sa
Ronnie gets go, pero ito?
Ako yung icebreaker sa kanila. Pag seryoso masyado.
Ikaw may.
No, pagdating sa coaching si Coach Benji, seryoso sa dun sa court. No? And then, yun nga, I think very memorable sa akin yun kasi that's the only champion sa akin sa PBA D-League noong time na yun. So, one and only sa PBA
One and done. One and done. And then you went on to get 7 more in the PBA.
So kumbaga intro. Warm up. It's a warm up.
So this is what it feels like to win a championship.
Yes.
Okay, let's go to the big show.
Maganda. So anyway, okay, tapos na tayo dito sa isang segment. Ngayon naman, balik tayo dito sa ating segment. Pumasok tayo sa ating main event. Anong pick mo? Hello ulit dyan, mga Kakal Bros! Welcome to Anong Pick Mo? Okay, at sumagot din kayo sa comments, ha?
All right,
Okay.
so today Scotty has 3 draft classes of different PBA eras, and we're going to be putting his scouting abilities to the test. Ready ka na ba?
Ready na.
Okay, so ganito siya. So there will be 3 draft classes for Scotty to pick from. There's 90s, there's the 2000s, and 2010. So for each draft class, there will be 5 players per price point. The point of the fantasy draft is to see how Scotty works within a budget. He's got 15,000 pesos or $15 million.
$15 million.
15 million yen to choose from. So what position, the play style he prioritizes, because he can choose multiple positions. Like you can have 2 forwards, 3 guards. It's up to him.
Basta swak sa budget na 15. 15.
4,000, 3,000, 2,000, 1,000. And the biggest thing here is we did not choose the places of these people here.
Well, sa lahat po ng mga players dito, wala po kami kinalaman dito.
So Gabe Norwood, I didn't put you at 1,000. For me, you're like a 7,000. You're like 7.
Si Pingris.
Oh my God, you brought it up.
So anyway,
All right.
gagawin mo lang, Scotty. So 3 teams ang gagawin mo. 90s, 2000, and 2010.
So, we start sa 90s, Coach.
90s.
Yes.
90s muna.
So inabot mo naman yan, ano? mahirap pag ang guess.
Guess.
Tsaka ang
mo,
hirap sa budget.
Okay.
Wala, under
Yung
the
pangalan
table
niya,
nito.
okay siya.
Oo.
Okay.
So, game na?
Game na.
So, nahirapan ako sa budget.
Lakihan natin.
Sige, laki.
Close up.
Right.
Ang hirap kasi may budget eh. Kasi tayo, may salary cap tayo. Salary cap.
Mahirap.
May salary cap.
So
Ikaw, Benji,
pag
who
may
would you choose?
lahat ng 5,
Lahat?
may under the table naman.
Okay, sige.
Parang mali sinabi ko.
It's the last time we get PPA players to guest on this show. All right.
So, sobra ata ako dito.
Oo, kailangan
Mahirap
talagang...
mo budget ko, mahina pa sa math.
Yan ang problema. Ba't ang tagal? Hindi ko ma-add eh.
Okay.
Okay, so Benji, who are you gonna choose for your?
Antay muna natin
ikaw.
ikaw.
Sa'yo.
Eh, antay muna. May multo yata sa likod namin na gano'n.
Elizabeth.
Hey. So actually maganda tong game na to eh. Parang even sa mga nanonood, pwede nilang gawin to
Tama.
sa bahay.
Ito,
Diba?
malapit na.
Yan.
We should turn this into a. We should actually turn this into a real game, like a real fantasy
Yes,
game.
fantasy game ano.
Yes.
Tapos sa magja-judge din, yung mga comments, doon natin kukunin yung ano natin.
Or AI.
Kailangan pa, gagastos pa tayo sa AI. tayo na
Yung mga
lang.
comments.
Pwede.
I think okay na ako.
Okay
Teka
na?
lang.
Nilagay mo ba yung ano, lagay mo yung amount nila sa
Sige,
gilid
sige,
para
sige, lagay
para
mo.
hindi na
Mas
natin
makita
hanapin.
Basta hindi kami naggawa nito ha.
Parang medyo-
Nakipag-debate pa nga kami, kaso sabi sa amin, hindi akong pakialaman, ginawa ko to. No, galit sa amin. Supla-suplado.
Turn the camera.
Okay, game.
Okay, ready, Scotty?
Let's go.
Okay, so si...
Oh my gosh!
Ito sa
Sa 90s, right?
Barrientos.
Okay.
Number, ang 4K naman, Meneses. Abuda, kailangan mo si Abuda. Loksin, oy, The Tank.
Hersey Hawkins.
Hindi.
Ay.
Iba yun. Si Bong Hawkins. Okay, so meron kang 3 bigs. Loksin Abuda can play 4-5. Loksin 4-5 din. Hawkins 4-5 din. And
So-
3 si Hawkins. So Meneses, number 2. Barrientos 1.
So bakit sila? Tapos, paano yung gameplay nila?
Unang-una, kasi kailangan kong, siyempre, facilitator. Sa
Yan.
Coach na namin yan.
Kailangan
So, dapat.
Kaya
Kailangan
namimili ako kanina kay Coach Benji. Parehas yung budget eh. Ang laki, 5,000.
So, naintindihan ko ba hindi ako yung pinili mo? Kasi coach mo yan eh.
Tapos,
And then,
yun, sa
ito,
lalagay
kailangan
ko
mo
sa
ng
group si...
Meneses. Kasi si Verhel Meneses naman, pag ito yung wala kang play, bigay mo muna yung bola.
Go-to
Siya na
guy.
bahala.
Anong play natin? Naki Verhel. Wala tayong play. Ay, so...
Okay.
Tapos nilagay ko si...
Abuta
si
will...
Coach Freddy sa defender.
Dirty works.
Okay. So he's
Scavenger.
parang si
Jolly.
Jolly.
Ano yan? Dumidepensa ng import, dumidepensa rebound. Tapos
Tough man,
hindi,
tough
ano
guy,
siya,
yeah.
tough, yung ano siya, to get rebounds lang. Si Loxin naman, nako, alam mo na.
Poor guy.
Oo, kailangan mo ng power.
Hirap mamili. Sobra. Tapos sa 5 ko, si...
Bong Hawkins
si-
naman.
sa-
Ito naman
pares
yung...
naman Perpetualite din.
Ito yung isa sa Bong Hawkins yung hindi siya ganong kabilis.
Oo.
Di ba? Pero yung ano niya, yung basketball IQ. Yun.
Okay, so someone keep track of those or take a
Okay.
photo, yes, because mamaya
Okay.
we'll use that. Okay, so you can erase it. If you guys are just tuning in, he's the one who picked.
Ayan yan, nakikita.
Yeah,
Siya
siya
yung gumawa. Galit pa nung sinita namin.
Oh, okay. So let's move on to the next era, which is going to be the 2000s.
2000s.
So the 2000s. Kasi yung mga 1990s, diba? 1990s. Don't worry, they're not going to be upset at you so much. But the 2000s and the current, you still work with these
Hindi
people.
kami sensitive.
You're not watching this.
Saka,
You're the only one here.
Yeah, ako lang. Oo. Okay, year 2000. Medyo hirap.
Okay.
Mahirap yan. Marami sila dyan, year 2000.
Maybe we just leave this with you. We'll go outside.
Yeah, tapos pag ayos na,
Tawagan ko na lang kayo. Hirap mag-budget talaga.
ang hirap talaga. Yan ang problema ng mga team owners, team managers. Na kahit merong available na player, you need to let go of some players.
Yes.
Even in the NBA, di ba?
So let's check out the board. Let's check out the board and the way that we did not rank these. By the way, we did not rank these. Someone else did it for us. So Benji,
Yes.
sa tingin mo, sino yung mga steal dito? We already talked about Mark Pingris as a 3, 3,000. You sa tingin mo dapat 5 siya?
Pwede. Bobby Parks.
Bobby Parks,
Senior.
senior.
Ba't may Bobby Parks Senior dito?
Teka, di ko na makita.
Sorry.
Import yan.
Walang
Bobby
Asi
Parks ang
dito?
import. So, dapat wala muna. Kung junior, baka niyan. Si Ray Parks yan. Baka Ray Parks.
He was born here? Ray was?
Yes.
Yes.
Ayun.
Okay. Oh, see Scotty, parang he has found his rhythm now. All right, look at
Ang
this.
hirap pa yan yan. Ang dami niyan.
Look at the style there. Look at he is feeling very confident in his picks now, right?
Hindi yan. Magkakamali rin yan. Papalit yan.
Ooh, foul. That was a bad one.
Mahirap,
Scotty,
mahirap.
very bad call on that one. He's mathing right now. If you're looking, he's at
Alam mo, dapat
22. He's at 22.
Maganda yung kung bawa, there are two of them na namimili. Tapos pag namili siya,
Two
ay, oo,
Scotties?
hindi ko napili ito.
Yeah. Parang
Dalawa sila.
Parang totoong fantasy draft.
Diba?
Kasi pag may
Oo
have you ever
nga,
played
ganyan.
fantasy? Basketball, hindi fantasy hindi fantasy acting na.
Hindi pa.
Okay, so pag may fantasy draft, parang you have 10 players.
10 players.
10 players. Tapos talagang draft kayong lahat ng pool ng players. So, syempre
Ibang fantasy inisip ko.
Oo
So,
nga eh.
anyway, hindi natin pwedeng pag-usapan.
this is not Viva Max.
Pero, pwede rin, alam mo. Hindi na tiis yan.
Dapat may fantasy draft ng No.
Ng celebrities.
We're going the wrong direction.
Wrong
That's not it.
direction.
No.
Nabasa na kita.
No.
May idea na rin ako. Okay, let's go, Scotty!
Lalagyan ko muna nung ano.
Ng presyo.
Presyo.
Lagyan mo ng tag price.
Dapat may presyo din.
Yung pinag-usapan natin.
All right, Scotty, what you got? So these are your
2000.
your fantasy draft for the year 2000 and above. So he, if you guys are just watching right now, he has 15,000 pesos. These are the monetary notes 5, 4,
Yung
3,
mga
2, 1.
ano rin, yung mga viewers din natin, you can do that also.
Yan, game.
Then you can send it to us. Okay.
Yes, mamaya sa anong pick nyo. Okay,
Anong
what you
point?
got?
Ay, baliktad pala yung presyo.
One yan, one. So, pagbalik,
Nalito
one
na.
din.
Mahirap ang mat talaga.
All
Okay.
right. Oh.
Naku, dalawa. Fast and the Furious.
I see what's happening here.
Puro
Here.
guard.
Yep, you're going
Ritualo.
quick. Okay, so
Tapos dalawa. Okay, so Helterbrand, Kagiwa, and Ritualo. So, bahala na. Alternate. 1, 2.
Kulang.
So, bahala na yung 3.
Kulang ng 1K.
paano yung
Pero
1K?
pwede na,
Yung
pwede
1K
na.
pang
Hindi, pero malakas.
pang pizza?
Malakas to. Alam mo ba't malakas to? Dalawa rebounder mo eh. Si Hatfield naman, ito yung parang
Rudy.
Chris Jackson ang laro nito. Aquino naman, offense, defense. So, dalawang malaki, tatlo yung backcourt player mo. Puro fast break ka niyan.
So paano to? So fast
Yeah,
little
Fast
team.
and the Furious, and then I got talagang
Ritualo.
legit shooter. And then si Hatfield, the dirty work. And then
Marlo
si
the
Marlo,
main.
mayroon kang post guy. So, mag-open up sa mga... I got 3 shooters. So, if
So, wala kang... Lahat ng depensa mo rito, lahat ng defense mo, nakadepensa sa kanila. Wala kang iiwan dyan.
wala
eh.
iwan.
Wala kang iiwan eh.
Kasi pag iniwan mo sa post, si Marlo.
So, pag si Marlo, imposible hindi mo i-double yan. Pag dinoble mo yan, libre yung mga shooters mo. Halterbrand, Kagiwa,
And then si
pa to?
Hatfield, lahat ng mga miss baskets.
Si Hatfield, WWF. Wrestler yan, di ba?
Oo, nag-wrestling to eh.
So tapos may 1,000 pesos ka pa.
Para may sub ako.
Sino sub nyo?
Pwede pa. So, pwede siya mag-anim.
Pwede ko mag-anim, may sub pa ako, di ba? Extra.
Pwede ka. Sinong kunin mo? Kuha ka ng 1,000. Pwede yan eh.
Siguro sa akin, extra big siguro, si Enrico.
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 Tinista.
So,
Okay, so you have 6. You have 6 players with Enrico also. All right, so take a snapshot. That is his 2000s team. It's time to move on to our next. There you go.
Okay, para matuloy natin yung kwentuhan natin.
So eto na. So now we move on to 2010, right?
Yung eraser pala?
So 2010. These are the guys that you still play with or you have played with. So
Eto na.
medyo delikado to.
Ito yung sasama loob
ito
sa'yo.
na, initan tayo nito.
So, anyway, pag-usapan naman natin ngayon, yung kanina, Pingris. Di ba? Layo na. So, bakit wala siya doon sa 5?
I don't know. I didn't choose. He chose. Or oh, so okay, we're
So,
gonna talk
tingnan
about the
natin
steals
kung
dito. Ay,
hindi, pakita lang natin. Kasi nga, medyo mahirap, ano? Parang wala kang... Kaya sa akin, pwedeng alternate Calvin Abueva and Pingris. Sa akin,
ikaw lang, si Benji Paras lang.
Pero,
Pwede ba yung 1K ko last time carry over dito sa ano?
Hindi, you chose hindi ko.
Carry over sa
hindi
2,000.
pwede kasi binigyan, ano yan eh, team, alagay naman yung team mo, bigyan kitang 1,000, gawa ka ng team mo. Siyempre, sa'yo na rin yun.
But that's a smart general manager. Parang roll over na salary cap.
Okay.
Ayan, no, James Yap wala sa number 5. MVP yan. Oh. Gawa daw tayo ng draft. Meron
Draft
ako
beer?
doon
Draft,
na-
yeah.
Ito,
So,
draft.
yeah. You wanna have some?
Kayo na pa humin.
Okay.
Coffee po.
Coffee, yeah. Loves
nice.
coffee. Okay, so what's our draft? Let's just choose, I'll choose the era that I know, which is,
Sige, ikaw.
and I won't base this on gameplay. I'll base this on
Para madali,
friendship.
para madali wag mo na akong kunin. Kasi alam ko kukunin niyo naman ako. Wag na akong kunin. Para hindi kayo mahirapan.
Okay, perfect.
Give chance to others.
Okay, yeah. This is Scotty, this is for you. You
Raul,
ikaw ang
hindi mo na
MVP.
kukunin talaga.
Scotty's having a hard time. He's having a
Dami niyang kaibigan
having a
dito.
hard time with the
Dami
twos.
niyang kaibigan dito eh.
Grabe.
But I feel that that Scotty has easily chosen his 5. I think that for me that Junmar is probably going to be there.
Yeah, for sure.
Right, he's there in any
Saka ano ko sa'yo, pusta ko. Ang kukunin niya dyan, ano yan, Hinebra, San Miguel, and Pure Foods yan.
Bakit?
Lahat.
Ba-
Tingnan mo lang. Pusta ko lang
Na-over na ako sa budget eh.
Hindi alam paano papalitan. Oo nga, sandali Ang hirap di ba? Like,
So,
Para kang-
mahirap Ito na lang budget.
ayun.
I-
Ay, malakas yan.
yeah.
Diba? Kaso may gusto ako dito sa 4.
Ilan na ba yung budget? Ilan na ba yan? Magkano na?
Ano to?
3.
Hindi, 14 na to.
14?
14 na.
Wala. Kailangan mo 1,000 na lang.
Oo, 1,000 na lang kaya nahirapan na ako sa 4.
Oo.
Sobrang...
Kasi may dalawang 4 yan eh.
May dalawang
May dalawang
four
4.
May
So,
dalawang
ilan yung
4.
4 mo?
Dalawa.
Dalawa.
Too good to pass eh.
Okay. Hulaan mo. Sino yung dalawang 4 niya?
Basta andun si John Mara, andun na yun.
Oo. So yung 4.
Grabe. Naghang ako dito.
So, isang 1,000 na lang kailangan mo.
Sa 1,000.
Kaso may dalawang malaki ka na.
Ay, nako. Okay. Tigil kaya natin to.
15-second shot clock.
Sige, tingnan ko nga ulit yung ginawa mo, Scotty. Baka matulungan kita.
Sige, ito na.
Ito na, meron na. Yan.
Okay.
Dami, suplado naman itong mga ito. Layo lang sa mic eh. Hindi, yung mic mo, ano mo?
Talagang sa...
lang.
Ay,
Ano na,
Sino yan?
Cut.
Sabi sa'yo, we're talking about this.
yung mga... Hindi, yung mga players na wala
Galit
dyan. Galit na.
Ano yung papagawa? Hindi na. Okay
Hindi na. Continue with Tina.
Ano ba yung nalaglag? Wala.
Yung ilaw.
Ilan ba guards mo? 3?
Dalawa lang naman. Pero, sige na nga.
Si Scotty talagang fighting for his life right now.
Ano
on
siya,
this
no?
one, right?
Saka
This
seryoso.
is super serious.
Ito yung...
Kasi parang ito yung test na pagkatapos ng PBA career niya. So this is his test right now. Everyone's watching. Okay, should we hire Scotty as a coach?
As a recruiter.
Yes.
Kay Christio, ayaw mo. Ba't ayaw mo kay Christio? Ginawan pa ng chismis.
Bakit?
Hindi, wala.
Ba't tumawa ka? So, Scotty, Scotty, Walang prize dito, ha? Walang prize.
Walang prize to. Katuwaan lang to, Scotty. ha?
For fun lang to.
Pero ito natutuwa ako kasi seryoso. Ibig sabihin, yan ang kukunin kong player.
Big deal tong batch na to, big deal.
He changed it kanina. May 2 4. Tapos, nikita ko siya.
Tapos pinalitan lahat eh.
Okay
Sa
na siguro to.
Ito, okay na yan.
Are you sure? Hindi.
Sige.
Sige, okay na to.
Okay, pakita natin.
Wait lang. Sure.
Oh, wait lang.
Are you sure?
Ba't ka ba na? Siya yung namili eh.
Oh, interesting. Okay, are you ready?
Okay,
Are you ready for the fallout? No.
Malakas to. Kita ko na eh.
Sige, game.
Go.
Okay.
Let's see.
Sige. Malakas to. Okay.
Tenorio,
Pringle,
Norwood, Pingris, and of course Junmar. Wow.
So, actually, andyan na yung The Kraken. So, tapos katulong pa si Pingris. So, wala ka ng unstoppable na yung ilalim mo. And then,
Because
andyan,
Fajardo, right? Parang walang si Pingris is playing what, 3 or is he a
4,
power?
4, 5. 5 yan usually.
5?
So, magiging 4 siya. Kasabay na si Junmar.
4.
So, si Norwood, 3. Tapos, 2 yung point guard mo. Tenorio, Pringle. Tapos, pati Norwood, parehong shooter. So, again, katulad
Fast.
ng year, yung 2000 na pick mo kanina, same thing. Talagang lahat yan, didepensahan. So, malakas. Ito,
Explain.
So, of course, meron tayong floor general, no? Si QLA. And then, nahirapan lang ako sa budget kanina. At
meron
first.
tayong pulutan, Pringles.
At first, si James Yap
Mali.
talaga nakalagay sa akin dito sa, of course, sa 2 more.
Kanina nga, pinalita mo eh. No?
Pinalitan ko kasi sa budget talaga, hindi kaya. And then, naghanap ako ng na sobrang steal na budget sa tapos score.
Stanley.
Score sa Team Stanley. And then, ito sobrang steal ni Kuya Gabe sa 1, di ba? So, sa lahat ng pinili ko, meron ako laging defensive specialist sa lineup. And then, sa bigs, Fingers and Junior.
Okay.
That's a solid lineup. Let's do this.
Tapat
In
lang
the technology realm, you would think that like podcasts can just catch audio wherever you're at. You know,
Okay. Talaga?
you would
Okay.
think. Okay, so that's take a picture of that one snapshot. So this is his team 2010. Solid lineup. No.
Okay. So, grabe, napagod si Scotty.
Super.
Pero hindi
Okay
pa
ka ba? Okay ka ba?
Pero
Eh?
yung challenge na binigay niya sa akin, hindi pa tapos.
Oo.
Okay, doon sa ginawa mong 3 draft. Pag pinaglaban-laban mo yan, sino mananalo ngayon?
Pati tayo dyan. Kasama ba yun?
Kasama yun. Ayun, nakasulat to.
Nakalimutan ko na yung ano ko
Okay, we'll come back in 20 minutes. Okay, let us know.
Hirap din. Pero I think I'll go with this.
Pero sa akin nga yan ang huling-huli.
2010. Kasi
Mukhang,
because Junmar is there, of course.
pag may Junmar ka parang,
Medyo-
di ba?
Fair, no? Parang
Ang sinasabi ko na nga lang, pag didepensahan nyo yan, bago nyo depensahan, punta kayo ng 4 na simbahan. Magdadasal muna kayo. Parang that's it eh. Wala na eh. So I guess yan yung isa sa pinakamalakas.
I mean, if you're gonna play against someone named the Kraken, that's like over na yan eh. Tapos na.
It's either depensahan mo, magdasal ka, or kausapin mo na lang siya. Dude,
Pare.
pa-block lang ng isa.
Isa lang.
Tapos,
27.
paka-score ako ng isa, sa pa-rebound lang ako isa.
Okay
Diba?
na yun.
Para pag pinakita ko kay coach, meron ako. Kita nyo,
Effective.
Effective ako. Ganun na lang. Baka maawa rin sa'yo. Hindi na lang yun eh.
Scotty, thank you so much for that game.
Thank
Are you
you,
okay?
thank you.
Are you okay?
Okay
I
lang,
feel that you're a little bit tired. Are you like stressed out? Stressful ba?
Grabe. Sobrang hirap ng game na to.
Mahirap.
Sobra.
Oh, actually, sa'yo lang ginawa yan. Hindi
last
ko alam
na to.
kung bakit. Pero anyway, okay. So natapos na tayo dito about being about basketball, being a basketball player. Ngayon naman, Scotty, ang tanong namin sa'yo,
Basketball.
nagiging, sa basketball pa rin, pero not as a player. Ngayon ito yung pagiging manager mo sa Perpetual. So, bakit nagkaroon ng transition na gano'n?
Well, unang-una, yun nga, syempre, graduate ako doon, Perpetual, and at the same time, inausap ako ng mga owners na school at Tamayo family to help the team So, not necessary manager naman, but I'm helping the team na sa mga sa off-courts, more on off-courts, no? Sa mga sponsorship.
Okay.
And sa court naman, nililive ko na lang kila Coach Olsen. And then more on sa off-court ako. And then, yun, give back na rin sa school ko na makatulong, and hindi ako napag-champion dati. So, malay mo,
Ngayon, as in part na rin.
as partner nila.
So okay, nagkaroon na tayo ng napag-usapan din natin itong pagiging manager ni Scotty. Ngayon naman, eto, tatalakayin pa natin yan dito sa segment natin sa The Pro Read. Welcome ulit dito sa Pro Read, mga Kakal Bros. Andito tayo ngayon with Scotty Thompson, kasama sa 50 greatest players of the PBA na naglaro pa rin for Ginebra. Now, also team manager sa University of Perpetual Health in the NCAA. Okay, ngayon ang tanong ko lang, paano mo na ma-manage naman yung time mo? Like playing for Ginebra, family, and then Perpetual.
And then being here with us.
And then being here. Oh.
Sorry.
Yun nga, medyo mahirap at first, pero luckily yung sa Perpetual naman, like I said kanina, hindi naman ako masyado sa court, more on sa off-court side ako, and then paminsan-minsan ako lang po nakapunta doon. And of course, nakafocus lang ako sa Ginebra and then sa family ko.
Pero at least yung pinasok mo kasi, isa lang yung goal nyo, and now you're in Ginebra, ang goal nyo is manalo.
Yes.
So ngayon, papaano yung way na pagtulong mo dito sa Perpetual para manalo sila? Meron ka bang say na about sa tungkol sa recruitment ng players dito sa Perpetual?
Meron naman so far, but more on coach, yung mga sinasuggest nila Coach Olsen na kunin na players. So sinecheck namin yun, pinapakita sa akin kung talagang kaya kunin sa Perpetual. And then of course, nag-uusap kami management side ng sa Perpetual kung kaya, syempre yung benefits ng player. So doon ako more on nakipag-usap sa management.
Regarding napag-usapan naman natin yung pagkuha, meron kang say to recruit players. Ano yung unang hinahanap mo sa player? Kung ikaw yung magre-recruit. Is it
For
pure
me,
talent o hindi naman?
For me, ngayon, para sa akin is yung two-way player para sa akin. So, kasi yung generation ngayon sa basketball, talagang kailangan two-way player ka. And then, andun naman yung talent coach ako kasama. Pero mas more on, mas made-develop namin the better. Kasi alam naman natin, sobrang grabe yung competition ngayon sa recruitment sa college basketball. So,
Saka yung, kaya nga, sa college kasi, high school college, ang players talaga, ang mga coaches, very, particular getting two-way players, di ba? Kasi pag nag-pro ka,
yun.
medyo, opensa magaling. So, gagawa na lang tayo ng ibang way para magamit. Kasi kailangan natin siya sa offense. So, ganun lang yan.
Scotty, if you're gonna scout the player, he's 4 years old.
I think two-way player siya.
Yeah. He's 4 years old. He's already this for 4. He's big. He's like 5'6".
Two-way siya, di ba? Kasi yung neck niya nagagano, saka nagagano.
Very flexible.
So, very flexible. Dalawa.
Yes. Okay, so Scotty, can you tell about let's say whether a player is just parang over or underperforming? Like, let's say, can you differentiate a bad or a good player, or like a good player just having a bad day, or maybe just a bad player having a regular day? Paano yun? That's a very interesting. Yeah, even I didn't understand what I said. That's pretty, yeah.
Mahirap. Actually, mahirap yan.
Mahirap kasi, oo.
Yung player kasi makikita mo talented, tapos pero hindi naman every game. Like, katulad nga si Scotty, averaging 7 points. Tapos nag-MVP, 24 points. So, hindi mo alam mahirap eh.
So, ibig sabihin,
May chance.
May chance yan. So, ngayon, ano ba yung ikaw kasi, guard ang laro mo, di ba? Ang tanong ko lang, sa position mo, bakit yung ang dami mong rebounds? Yun yung isa sa reason din ba't ka namin kinuwi. Bakit eh?
Siguro like I said kanina, coach, yung pag-develop sa akin ni Coach Arik, no. Sabi niya sa akin dati, hindi ang basketball hindi puro offense. So yung mga little things pag nag-ipon mo yun, bigger picture ahead yun para sa team. So and especially pagdating ko sa Ginebra, meron kaming Mark Agiwa, JJ Helderbrand, Chris Ellis, L.A. Tenorio. So, nung time na yun, napaisip ko, saan ba ako pwedeng magamit dito? Kung mabigyan ako ng chance ni Coach Tim para pagkatiwalaan magamit sa court. So, nag-focus ako dun sa hustling, rebound, extra possession, and then sa defense. So, and then, yun, Coach.
Every sa game naman, kanino ka na-challenge na babantayan or bumabantay sa'yo na pag ito yung makakalaban mo, talagang paghahandaan mo?
For me, nung start ko talaga, ang pinaghahandaan ko every time sa mga games, excited ako lagi si Kuya Jason Castro.
Jason,
Kasi kahit pa paano, medyo naabutan ko yung prime niya na alang sobrang bilis na.
Parang bullet eh. Parang,
Saka humihinto no?
No.
Yung
Saka
mabilis biglang pak.
Biglang
Asan. Ayun, naiwan.
Kaya totoo yung the blur eh. Every time pag nakabantay ako, tapos pag may ball screen lang, tapos konting gumano lang ako, pagbalik ko sa tingin, wala na siya sa harap ko.
Saka maganda rin kay Jason. Halimbawa, may nagbigay ng pick. Pag nakita niyang nakasunod ka, ida-drive eh. Pag nakita niya medyo ipit, aatras, biglang titira. Ang hirap
very smart.
bantayan.
Very
fearless si
Ang
Jason
hirap,
mag-drive.
ang
Ha?
hirap.
Fearless.
So,
So let's talk about off the court now. So what are you looking to do after your playing career? I mean, you're 32 years old, so you still have plenty of time left. So do you want to be maybe one day a head coach in the NCAA or in the PBA?
Well, for now, wala pa sa utak ko yung mag-coach, but preparing sa life after basketball. So ngayon medyo nag-establish na ako ng businesses, mga pagkakitaan balang araw, and then yun na para maka-focus more sa family ko kasi being a basketball player most of the time hindi ganun ka grabe yung oras sa family kasi yun nga, like nasa Gilas ka, medyo lumilipad din kami, so medyo kulang talaga yung time ko sa family. So siguro doon ako makakabawi pag nag-retire.
How many years do you think you want to play in the PBA?
Siguro until 38, 40 to 38 to 40.
Yeah.
Siguro.
yun yung target ng mga
palarin,
players ngayon.
basta
talaga.
healthy lang.
Yun yung importante. Tapos, kagagaling mo lang sa Japan. Tama ba? So, ano naman? Kwento ko naman. Ano ba yung mga naging itinerary mo sa Japan?
More on
Kaya.
like family bonding lang talaga, no. Pumunta kami sa Mount Fuji. So doon kami nagstay kasi actually most of the time pag nag-vacation kami talagang go to place namin yung Japan kasi mas madali, mas puntahan. Tapos,
Nakita niyo naman yung Mount Everest. Usually kasi bihira yung makita, di ba?
nagpakita ng mga
Nagpakita
snowfalls.
naman,
Kasi
mabuti naman.
nagstay kami doon eh. Nag-overnight kami doon para lang talagang
Para lang makita.
Buo
Kasi
kayo,
every
yung buong
morning.
pamilya? All the
Yeah,
kids?
all the kids.
Wow. Crap. That's crazy.
Oh.
I went to Japan with my 4-year-old.
Hindi ka
One
na-
time to Tokyo.
Hindi ka nang bumalik.
I left him there. No, I won't go back with him anymore. No, but that's very bold and courageous of you to bring your whole family there. That's the first time they saw snow. Did they see snow there?
Wala pa.
Wala pa. Kasi
Yung ano ko, yung eldest ko na
Nakita
na-experience
na.
na last time. Pero nung time medyo ano pa lang, paulan pa lang nung time na yun.
Tsaka mahirap din, di ba, sa atin na being part of the PBA team, yung kailan ka magbabakasyon.
No,
Hindi mo masasabi. Like, sabi,
Dami
kailan tayo? Hindi
conferences,
ko alam
oo.
eh.
Hindi
pa alam.
Pumasok ng final. So, hindi ka makakapag-prepare. Alam mong bakasyon, pero hindi ka makakapag-prepare. Kung bibili ka na ng ticket, magpapareserve ka na ng hotel, or so by the time na tapos na, saka ka lang gagawa, fully booked. Yun yung mahirap na part. So, mahirap din yung...
Para siyang double-edged sword because you want to go on vacation, pero pag may vacation time, ibig sabihin, wala ka na sa finals, di ba?
Oo, ibig sabihin.
So, syempre, ikaw, no, mas gusto mong nasa finals para meron kang
May
pambakasyon. May pambakasyon. So, ganun lang yun. So, anyways, Kati, usual na tatanong natin na maraming nag-idolize sa'yo. So, konting, tip sa kanila.
Payo.
Hindi payong, umbrella yun.
Ano yung advice?
Payo. So, sorry. Sorry. Payong ang dinig ko.
Payong.
Payo pala. So, ano? Tip.
For me, to all basketball aspiring na sa mga bata, I think yung pinaka-ma-share ko lang is yung dala-dala ko buong buhay ko is hard work, discipline, and most especially faith kay God. No?
Ayan.
Pag meron kang tatlo nun, I think dadalhin ka kung saan mo gusto yung kapalaran mo.
Ayun. Aside from umbrella.
No, I just I remember the very first time I heard Scotty Thompson. It was over the radio, I think. I was still working for MTV, and I told him this story. I said, "Wow, grabe, Scotty Thompson, siguro American, import." Katulad si Willie Miller. When I interviewed Willie Miller, "Hey, bro, you're half courts, blah, 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 blah. What are you going to do to come out in the second half?" Sabi niya, "Ano daw?"
Anong sabi mo doon?
So Scotty, I'm honored to meet you. I don't think I've ever really met you in person, but to be sitting here with one of the top or the 50 greatest PBA players, and you still have a long way to go, for me at least, hanggang 40, and you still have so many more accolades, so many more championships to win, and no more children, hanggang 3 lang. But
Kala ko many more children.
who knows? Who
Wow,
knows?
many
Who
more.
knows? Many
The
more.
the merrier.
Kasi wala kang starting 5, 3 lang eh. So dapat may starting 5. Sensya na sa asawa mo. Yeah, but yeah, it's been an honor to have you here with us.
Yes.
Thank
Thank you.
you, Kakao
Maraming
Bros.
salamat, Scotty. At, congratulations ha. Pang 10 taon mo na to sa PBA.
Oo, 10
diba?
years,
10 years
10,
na.
wow, 10 years, 7 championships.
7. So, isipin mo, if you will play another 8 years. So, ilan yun? So, gawin mo ng 10 or
Marami.
12.
Yes.
Meron pa. So, another MVP?
You'll beat Joe Devance. Joe Devance, how many rings does Joe have?
Si
Marami
Joe,
na.
marami na from sa Alaska.
11, 12 bata si
Yeah,
John.
so
And Hinebra also.
Meron siya na.
don't worry, you're gonna beat him. I think you're gonna have at
I
least.
think the whole championship ko, andun si Joe. Sa 7 ko, andun si Joe.
Oh.
So,
Actually, Joe is here.
Joe. Hindi, umalis muna. So maraming salamat ulit, Scotty, na pagbigyan mo kami rito. And I'm sure maraming natuwa na ating mga viewers ngayon. Kaya salamat din mga kalbro sa panonood. Magbigay naman kayo ng love dito sa The Hustleman at sana nag-enjoy kayo sa ating kwentuhan. At i-follow nyo kami ha. Ito good comments lang sa social media.
That's Basketballeros with Calbros on Facebook, IG, TikTok, YouTube, and Spotify. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share this episode. We heard the boys. Now we want to hear from you. Anong pick mo? Which of Scotty's drafts do you think will win? Drop your answers down below, and we'll see ya.
Thank you.
Bye. Thank you.
Mabalik tayo dun sa fantasy natin.